Buying your first home is one of the biggest milestones in life. It's exciting, it's nerve-wracking, and let's be honest, it can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I've got you covered. If you're thinking about buying a home in Gilroy or anywhere in Santa Clara County, this is the ultimate checklist to make sure you're fully prepared. Stick around until the end because I'll share a free buyer questionnaire to help you get started. Before we dive into the checklist, let's talk about some of the challenges that first-time homebuyers often face. Trust me, you're not alone if you're feeling a little lost. Here are some of the most common roadblocks I see buyers running into. Saving for a down payment. A lot of buyers think that they need 20% down, but the truth is there are loan programs that allow as little as 3% or even 0% down for qualified buyers. In Santa Clara County, where home prices are higher than national average, it's crucial to explore first-time homebuyer programs and down payment assistance options. Getting pre-approved. Many buyers start shopping without knowing what they can afford. Then they fall in love with the home outside their budget. Not a good idea. Getting pre-approved first helps you set realistic expectations and strengthens your offer when you find the one. Understanding the market. Gilroy's housing market can be competitive, especially for entry-level homes. If you're expecting to negotiate a steep discount, you might be in for a surprise. Having a local expert like me can help you strategize to win in multiple offer situations. Hidden costs of home ownership. Beyond the mortgage, there are property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and HOA fees if you're buying in a community with an association. I always make sure my clients factor in those costs up front. Alright, now that we know some of the challenges, let's dive into the ultimate checklist to make your home buying journey as smooth as possible. Your credit score plays a huge role in determining your loan options and interest rate. In general, you'll want a score of at least 620 for conventional loans, but there are options for lower scores. Check your credit report for errors and work on paying down debt before applying for a loan. You can pull your free credit report once a year at annualcreditreport.com to review your credit history and ensure there are no surprises. Number 2, determining your budget. Lenders look at your debt-to-income ratio to decide how much you can borrow, but just because a lender approves you for a certain amount doesn't mean you should max out your budget. Think about what you're comfortable paying each month, including taxes and utilities. Factor in your lifestyle. Do you love to travel or dine out? Make sure you're leaving enough breathing room in your finances. Number 3, shop multiple lenders and get pre-approved. A pre-approval letter shows sellers you're serious and ready to buy. In a competitive market like Gilroy, having that pre-approval letter can make or break a deal. But don't just go with the first lender you talk to. Shopping around for multiple lenders can help you get the best interest rate and terms. Some lenders offer better deals on closing costs, lower interest rates, or special first-time buyer programs. If you need recommendations, I've got great connections. Number 4, research first-time homebuyer programs. Santa Clara County offers first-time homebuyer assistance programs that could help with down payments or closing costs. Programs like CalHFA or local grants might be available, so don't miss out on free money. These programs often have income limits or specific requirements, so it's worth checking if you qualify. Number 5, prioritize your needs versus wants. Make a list of must-haves versus nice-to-haves. A backyard might be a priority, but you're willing to compromise on a smaller kitchen. Consider factors like commute times, school districts, and neighborhood safety. Knowing your non-negotiables helps you narrow down your options and make decision-making easier. Number 6, find a great local realtor. Having the right agent makes all the difference. You want someone who knows Gilroy inside and out, understands the market trends, and negotiates on your behalf. Spoiler alert, that's me. A good agent can also help you connect with off-market listings and help you strategize in a competitive market. Number 7, start shopping. Now the fun part begins. I always recommend touring multiple homes to get a feel for what's out there. Don't just look at the house, check out the neighborhood, commute times, and nearby amenities. Drive by the home at different times of the day to see how the area feels in the evening versus the morning. Number 8, make a competitive offer. Once you find the perfect home, you need a solid strategy. In Gilroy, some homes get multiple offers within days. I'll help you write an offer that stands out, whether it's through competitive pricing, flexible contingencies, or offering a shorter escrow period to appeal to the seller. Number 9, get a home inspection. Most home sellers in our area provide upfront inspections, which is great because it gives you insight into the property condition before making an offer. But if you're not fully satisfied with the report, I always recommend hiring your own inspector. A good home inspection can uncover potential issues that could cost you thousands down the road. If major problems come up, you can renegotiate or walk away. Number 10, understand how you want to hold title. Before closing, you'll need to decide how you want to hold title. This impacts your legal ownership and what happens in case of death or sale. Common ways include joint tenancy, community property, or right of survivorship. Each has different tax and legal implications, so it's important to understand what's best for you, especially if you're buying with a partner or a family member. Buying your first home might seem complicated, but having a clear game plan makes all the difference. If you're ready to start your home buying journey in Gilroy or anywhere in Santa Clara County, let's chat. I've put together a free buyer questionnaire to help you get started. Just click the link in the description and fill it out. I'll personally review it and reach out to help you guide through the process. And of course, if you have any questions or need help finding your dream home, call, text, or DM me anytime. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more real estate tips, and I'll see you in the next one.